siguro mga UAAP teams. Meron kayang papasok somehow na NCAA team sa ating top 4. Nakakadalawang puntos na ang FEU. The previous one was an ace, and now so 3 consecutive points. Here's the set. Display nicely done for
combination play ng backwing at slide play para kay Lardizabal.
Bawi ba? Here's Bam Bam! This is the largest lead being enjoyed by Letran here in the opening set.
Si Absin naman yung pagkag.
Little too unsure. Bam Bam Bautista just get that ball across over the net. And nobody manning the back. Race to 20. Muna. Combination. That's Lopez. The dig. FEU. Play a ball. Why not? Lopez. Dilaglag. Pumasok.
Blacker.
Wayne. Making 20. Ang Letran, not far behind is FEU. Trying to get the point back. Miko Espantel over the cross court. Arranio again executing that same brand. Up 1. Duot. Saavedra going cross court. These two teams, they know how important this game is. Regalo. And FEU 1-point lead. Bam Bam with the dig. Bam Bam with the attack. Gets blocked. And now FEU out ang Letran. But let's take a look at this piece of action. Bam Bam. Huli. Letran between Arranio and at least. Again, safe serve. Pasok lang. Duot. That's it. Oh, yun na.
Attack errors na itong FEU, pero nung dulo, yung adjustment na ginawa ni Duot, na yun yung naging reason kung bakit nila.
Like, for instance, yung UAAP champions na NU, nandun sa ibaba ng ating team standings. Ngayon tinutuloy lang nila Ito, subok muli siya, but he gets blocked. May coverage sa likuran naman. Ganun na naman ba yung kwento nito? Second set natin.
Lamang na naman.
Lamang na naman.
Ang Letran.
Comes up for you with a combination play here. Greg Saavedra.
Kay Kapitan binibigay.
Bawi ba? Why not? Yun ang ginawa. FEU lamang dito sa match nito, 1-0. At lamang din sila here in the second set. But Letran finding some...
Beto naman ang atake sa likod. Ito yung first back row hit para sa side ng...
Son Duot with a safe serve again. Arranio with that set. And what a quick team at this. Arranio, bawi na lang tayo. Might as well set. Ball up here, Mendoza. And Luis Miguel.
At effective.
One hand set. Nicely done. Chido serves a good one here. Duot and a quick attack point again. Johnson. And may pumasok na rin na service finally. Ito si Ahmed between, but he gets blocked.
Basang-basa ni Lardizabal yung combination play. Ito ni Ahmed between.
Marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito, JV, you know?
Totoo yan. At ito, isa na to sa magandang nang...
Nice combination for FEU.
Variation ng atake neto sa Saavedra. May cross court and ngayon down the line hit naman.
18-17 at the service of Let's get the... Oh! Opportunity. Look at how it was done.
Magpapakitang gilas din. Parang sa anime ko lang napapanood yung ganitong batos.
Luis Miguel. Alberto gets blocked. But Letran is really not far behind. They got to do their thing here. Another block point. 2 points away to make it a 2-0 lead here in this match. And Letran. Shots obscene. Simple lang yung service. Wayne Arano. Simple rin lang yung atake. Yung pa rin. Just get your service and ika nga. Manny Martinez with a back set right there. So 5 out here for Letran. Dave Lutley. All the points that they could get. Cedric Saavedra. And out after this. Hey. So here we go with set number 3. And FPU ganadong ganado in their previous games. Sabi niya, wala pong shortcut. Well, they're making sure about those service. And that and FPU going for that attack. Letran is really giving them a hard time. Remember, FPU are the defending champions at attack. Problema, first ball, Duot, that's it. And Drix Saavedra.
Atakihin neto si Drix Saavedra. Kita-kita niya yung cross-court hit na yun.
May instruction kay Arano. Palo. Ito, yung palo. Anong nangyari? FEU. And serve. Oh, nice combination.
Yung atake na yun. Alam na alam niya na kung saan niya dadalhin. Sa ibabaw neto ni Wayne Arano.
Love it. Pwede yung mas maayos. Max serves a good one here. Duot. Wala pa rin sila solution earlier. A set, another win of another set for FPU will pave the way for their entry to the Final Four and still can... And that's it. Good serve. Wayne Arano going bam-bam. Oh, nice combination. Look at this, look at this.
Silip na silip niya.
To reach 20, 1-2 for Letran. Good anticipation by FPU. Sumobra, naging regalo. FPU gets the ball. Placing na lang doon sa huli, di ba? Pero basically, it's like finishing the schedules. Letran naman cannot afford to make any more mistakes.